Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this look. It's very simple, very easy, but it has some cool elements to it because it's super hydrating for the winter time. I wanted to give you guys a wintertime kind of routine, still on a budget. And give you guys some options on what you can use to incorporate into your guys' foundation routine for this winter, just to keep your skin on the moisturized side, because I know that it can get very dry during the winter. So I wanted to give you guys some options. I also wanted to say thank you, Neutrogena, for sponsoring this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial now. All right. So to start my hydrating foundation routine, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this Milan and Goats. I believe that's how you say it. If I'm saying it wrong, just correct me in the comment section below. It's just gonna give me a light hydration. So today for my foundation routine and how I'm gonna keep my skin hydrated is the new Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Tint. It's a really cool foundation, and hyaluronic acid is perfect and great for our skin. I've had a lot of hyaluronic acid facial treatments to help my skin, get a lot better than it used to be. It's a great thing to add to your skincare routine as well. So I'm going to be using this shade Honey. So I'm going to apply this to my face. And this is good for if you don't want to be too heavy with foundation. And the coverage on this is pretty good. It's super light on the skin, but it's very hydrating, and it feels really good too. I'm going to take the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Concealer, and this also has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is the color Light Medium. And I'm just going to go under my eyes here, a little here too. I'm going to take some foundation to contour with today. Blend that in. So I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder and set my face. So now I'm just going to do my regular contour routine or bronzing routine. I'm just going to still give myself some color. I'm just using the Black Radiance Contour Kit. Next I'm going to go in with my Sephora Spice Market palette. I'm going to take this orange shade right here. So I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm going to give them a little bit, clean them up a bit. I'm going to dip into this KK Beauty palette. I'm just going to take this shade right here, Calabasas, I believe. Use that as like a transition shade at the top, because it's really more so about just the foundation and just looking natural. And then I'm just going to keep building with that shade as well in my crease. Then I'm going to take from my Black Radiance palette, since this is kind of like a orangey brown. This is really a go-to for me. Dipping back into my KK Beauty palette, I'm just going to take this kind of brown shade right here, add a little dimension on the outside, just a little shade. And then to finish it off, I'm going to go back one more time with the color Calabasas from the KK Beauty. It really doesn't have to be perfect. We're not going for perfection. We're just going to kind of blend all these shades together. From Neutrogena, I'm going to take the Hydra Boost mascara in black brown. I'm just going to coat my lashes with that. From Dose of Colors, and this is the Desi and Katie Chasing the Sun. I'm gonna give ourselves some little bit of glow. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger here and a little bit on top of my Cupid's bow. So next I'm going to take my KK Beauty lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips. So I'm going to take the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine and True Nude. It also has hyaluronic acid in it as well. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that over my lips. And I'm just going to set my face. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys like the products that I use and want to try them. Check down in the description bar below to check out where you can get them. And also, if you guys want another kind of winter influence type of video, I would definitely want to do some more. So comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.